Yeah, it looks like if I went to a professional beauty salon. Today I'm going to be trying out a new blow dryer brush in the market. This is from Calista. This is the Calista Elite Multi-Style Dryer Gen 2. This brings a round brush attachment and it also brings 2 curling barrels. Thank you so much, Calista, for sponsoring this video today. I remember back in my QVC days when I used to model for QVC, Calista was like the OG brands with the heated round brushes. If you haven't tried a Calista heated round brush, you have to try it out. But today we're gonna use this new hair tool. Love the color of this. It is so pretty. And this hair tool has 2 different speed settings and 3 different heat settings. First, I do wanna prep my hair. I'm gonna use this Calista JOUSSE Vitality Spray. I probably did not pronounce that correctly. JOUSSE Vitality Spray. This is going to detangle and smooth my hair. It also has heat protection, so this is a must. Now we're gonna mix these 2. So this is the Calista Embellish Styling Cream and this is the Calista Gloss Shine Recovery Serum. And I just feel like these 2 would work so well together if I mix them, because this is like a styling cream. It's like a very moisturizing product, and then this is kind of like a serum, so it's gonna help add shine. Yeah, I love how that feels. This is going to make my hair feel so nice. Now I want to divide my hair into about maybe like 4 sections. Okay, we're gonna start drying this first section. This blow dryer brush is very big, so you're able to grab pretty big sections with this. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. I think I'm gonna stick to the highest heat setting and highest speed, just because I feel like it's giving me a pretty quick dry and it doesn't feel extremely hot. I think because this round brush is made out of ceramic, it's also making my hair a lot more shiny, and it's just like smoothing it out a lot better. I know this hair tool looks a little bit big, but it feels very lightweight. So if you like lighter weight hair tools, you might really like this one. I'm really excited to use the curling barrels because today I'm just going for a very voluminous curly blowout look. So I'll show you guys how I use these attachments in a little bit. But for now, I am gonna dry my hair with this round brush. I'm gonna time it and let you guys know how long it takes me to do all my hair. I also really like the products that I use. Like, these products are no joke. I think if you get the Embellish styling cream and the gloss, you should definitely mix the 2. And I always like blow drying my hair with a round brush because it just gives me so much more volume at the root. And this is really giving me a nice beautiful shape on the bangs, but at the same time it's giving me some volume and lift at the root. This is giving me a bouncy blowout and I am here for it. I am done blowing out my hair. It took me 35 minutes to do all my hair. I think that is not bad at all. That was a pretty quick blowout. I think my hair looks pretty smooth for just a blowout. I am gonna do some curls now with the curling barrels, so that should give it more volume, more lift. But yeah, this is what the blowout is looking like. Oh my god, my hair feels so short. It looks so short. I got a haircut, so I'm kind of getting used to this length. I mean, it's not like a huge difference. I think I had maybe like 3 more inches, but I think I might just let it grow for a little bit. But yeah, now I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put the curling barrel attachment on. You get 1 for each side. As you can see, you have these little arrows right here. So this one's for this side and then this one is for this side, and these are a 1.25 inch barrel, so you're gonna get very tight curls. And as you can see, this is also ceramic, so you definitely want to make sure that you use this on dry hair. When I get ceramic curling barrels like this, I prefer to use it on dry hair personally because it feels a lot more gentle, and this can get pretty hot. So let's start curling my hair with this hair tool. I actually am going to be curling away from my face. You can do towards your face if you want. So I take the hair tool, just let it wrap around. It grabs the hair super well. Okay, let's see what curl we get. Wow. That is so nice. I love that this is a very soft curl, and I can already tell that once I'm done, my hair is gonna look so good. I'm gonna clip these 2 sections. So I'm gonna join them, just bring it up and clip so that it can set for a little bit. I'm gonna do these 2 sections back here, and then I'm gonna move on to the other side. Yeah, these curls are turning out so nice. So now I'm gonna do the other side. I switched out the barrel. Curling my hair is my favorite part of doing my hair because it is just so fun. And so this curling barrel is actually giving me a pretty defined curl, and I really like these ceramic barrels because even though this gets pretty hot, I feel like that is what is giving me that pretty defined curl. I'm gonna do my bangs now. I always like to do this separately. I'll divide my bangs, maybe split it into two. I'll curl each section away from my face, of course, and then I clip it up. So I always like to set it pretty lifted so that I can keep that volume at the root. All right, let's take off these clips. How pretty is that curl? These look like blowout curls, but a little bit more defined, you guys. Clipping the curls makes such a difference. If you haven't tried doing this yet, you have to try it out. All right, last one. So nice. I'm just gonna zhuzh it up a little bit. Yeah, my hair looks so good right now. Like, it really looks like if I went to a beauty salon. Like, it just looks so bouncy. Like, these blowout curls look so good. And my hair just has so much movement. It looks very healthy, very sleek. And this shine that I'm getting today, like, I love it. I really like how my hair turned out. It is the weekend. I am ready to go. And I didn't even have to go to a salon. Like, there is nothing like doing your hair at the comfort of your home. I just love it. It is so relaxing. You can take your time with it. You can use the products that you love. I just love doing my hair at home. It is just the best. So if you're like me and you really enjoy doing your hair at home, definitely recommend trying these products and also this hair tool. And also, it's just way more affordable over time to just do your hair at home instead of going to a salon every week. So yeah, this is your sign to learn how to do your own hair at home. These products really helped. I used the Vitality Spray, and then I mixed these two, the Calista Styling Cream and also the gloss. And then of course, I used the round brush attachment and I used the curling barrel to curl my hair. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you again, Calista, for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.